Assalamu alaikum viewers. Uh, my name is Atiq. I am a teacher of mathematics. Students, today I will learn about what is line. We can say uh, line can be formed. Let's see. Line. For making a line, we select points like that. Let's see. I have a point, and I have another point. This one. Say this point is A. This point is B. When I join these 2 points like that with each other, then we get a line. You can see it's a line. This point is A and this point is B. Mean to say, for a line we have only required at least 2 points. For starting a line we need at least 2 points. If we have more than 2 points, say for example like that, I name A, B, C, and this one is D. When I join it's these 4 points, by joining these 4 points we also get a line. So for a line the necessary condition is that we should have at least 2 points. At least minimum 2 points. These points can be more than 2. After joining these points we get a line. A question is that how apart distance between these 2 points? Doesn't matter. There is not distinction between the distance of 2 points. Say this one is A, this one is B. If you say what is the distance between these 2 points, doesn't matter. If I join these 2 points we get also line. Say for example I have these 2 points. By joining these 2 points we get also line. Doesn't matter what the distance of this line, just to say that we should have only at least 2 points for starting a line. Now I get another thing is that point. What is point? To consider the concept of a point, a point is a location or a position of anybody. Like that. I say this is child. This is child. Here is say cow. This point is the location, is the position, localizing for a child. This one is for a cow. Mean to say a point is a location, is a position. A point is a location, is a position. I mean when we join these 2 points we get a line. This is the basic concept about a point and a line. Little bit difference we have introduced here. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any problem, any query, then you can consult with me in comments. Inshallah I will try my best to remove these mistakes. Thanks a lot.